Think you know Anaheim? Think again. This city is famous for its theme parks, but what if I told you there's much more to explore? Today, I'm going to show you my top 5 things to do in Anaheim. And I'm not just talking about the obvious ones. We'll go beyond Disneyland to some incredible hidden gems and local favorites that will make your trip unforgettable. Stick with me until the end because I'm also throwing in some bonus spots that only locals know about. Hey everyone, welcome back to the OC Uncovered. I'm Ryan Saloom, your guide to all things in Orange County. Whether you're new here, planning a trip, or you're a local looking for fresh ideas, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring Anaheim in depth, from the world-famous attractions to lesser-known gems. I'll give you everything you need to know to make the most of your time here. If you love discovering new places in Orange County, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. All right, let's dive into the heart of Anaheim. Let's start with the classic, Disneyland Resort. Even if you're a frequent visitor, you might not realize how much this place has to offer beyond just the rides. Yes, Disneyland and California Adventure are must-dos, but there's so much more happening here that you don't need a ticket for. First off, let's talk about downtown Disney. This area is free to enter and has an amazing mix of shops, dining spots, and entertainment. Personally, I think it's one of the best places in Anaheim to grab a meal or enjoy some live music without committing to a full day at the park. There's a new restaurant, Museo, which serves up some of the best tacos you'll find anywhere. And if you're a fan of sweets like me, then you'll have to stop by Salt and Straw for some unique ice cream flavors you can't find anywhere else. Another hidden gem within Disneyland Resort is the Grand California Hotel. Even if you're not staying here, you can walk in and explore the beautiful lobby or grab a drink at the Hearthstone Lounge. If you're visiting during the holiday season, they even have a massive gingerbread house on display and holiday carols that really add to the festive atmosphere. The Grand Californian is also home to one of the new Napa Rose restaurants, where you can get incredible meals without venturing far from the magic of Disney. All right, who here has a favorite Disney memory or a must-visit downtown Disney spot? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk food. And trust me, you're going to want to bring your appetite for this one. The Anaheim Packing House is a must-food for food lovers, and it's located in the historic Anaheim Packing District. This spot is an incredible place to experience all kinds of flavors, from classic American comfort food to international street foods. For those of you who haven't been, imagine a beautifully restored old citrus packing house filled with over 20 different food vendors. Each vendor offers something unique, so you can come here with the group and try everything from poke bowls and Indian street food to gourmet grilled cheese and Southern style chicken. My personal favorite, Black Sheep GCB for the delicious grilled cheese with a twist. And if you're craving something refreshing, head over to Pop Bar for customizable gelato pops. Another thing I love about the Packing House is the live music. On weekends, they often have local musicians performing everything from jazz to indie rock, which adds to the ambiance. Plus, they've got some outdoor seating areas and rooftop spaces that make for the perfect Instagram spots, especially if you're into capturing unique places. Here's a tip. Try to visit during the week or in the early afternoon if you want to beat the crowds. Trust me, this place gets packed on the weekends. Have you been to the Packing House? Where's your go-to spot there? Drop it in the comments. Now let's talk sports. Anaheim is home to the Angel Stadium, and while you might think it's just for baseball fans, there's more to it than just that. Sure, catching an Angel game is a must-do experience if you're in town during baseball season. But did you know that the stadium hosts a lot of other events as well? During baseball games, the atmosphere is amazing. Tons of energy from the crowd, the smell of hot dogs in the air, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a fireworks show if the Angels win. If baseball isn't your thing, check the schedule for concerts, as they often bring in big names. The Big A sign out front is an iconic photo spot, and you can tailgate before the game, which is a whole experience in itself. One of my favorite things about the Angel Stadium is the food. They have everything from classic ballpark hot dogs to unique items like poke, nachos, and brisket sandwiches. So even if you're just there for the vibes, not necessarily the game, you'll still have a great time. Anyone here a baseball fan? Let me know your favorite stadium snack or go-to seat for the best view. If you're looking to experience some culture, Anaheim's Museo Museum and Culture Center is an underrated gem. This place offers a mix of art exhibits, historical displays, and cultural events. They bring in traveling exhibits, so there's always something new to see, from local history to global art. One of the best things about the Museo is how accessible it is for families. They offer plenty of interactive displays that are perfect for kids. I once attended an exhibit on California's surf culture here, and it was fascinating to see how surfing has shaped not only Southern California, but also pop culture around the world. They've also hosted exhibits on tattoo art, vintage cars, and Native American history. Plus, the staff is incredibly knowledgeable and are always willing to chat about the exhibits. Here's a tip. Check their website ahead of time to see what's on display. And if you're looking for a great photo spot, the museum's entrance has a beautiful mural that makes for a great backdrop. Anyone been to Museo? Let me know what exhibit you saw. Wrapping up our top 5 is Anaheim Garden Walk, an outdoor entertainment and shopping center that has something for everyone. It's located just minutes from Disneyland, and it's a perfect place to hang out if you're looking for more to do in the evening. Garden Walk has tons of restaurants and bars, including some fantastic options for sushi and craft cocktails. One of my favorites is the House of Blues, which offers a great mix of live music, delicious food, and a fantastic ambiance. They have a huge outdoor patio where you can sit and enjoy the warm SoCal nights. They also have a great mix of activities. You can catch a movie at the AMC, try out the virtual reality at VRX for a super unique experience, or even go bowling at the Bowmore Lanes. They also have an impressive lineup of free live entertainment on the weekends, which adds to the fun and atmosphere. Anyone have a favorite spot at the Garden Walk? Let me know in the comments. And here we are, you stuck with me. Bonus spot number 1, the Honda Center. If you're a fan of big events, Honda Center is Anaheim's go-to venue for concerts, sport games, and more. Home to the Anaheim Ducks hockey team, Honda Center also hosts some of the biggest names in music, comedy, and entertainment. Whether you're here for a concert or a Ducks game, the energy in the Honda Center is unbeatable. Bonus spot number 2, Yorba Regional Park. Looking for a nature escape? Yorba Regional Park is Anaheim's hidden natural gem, offering walking trails, bike paths, and serene lakes. It's a great place to relax, have a picnic, or rent a paddle boat. If you're with the family, the playgrounds and open spaces are perfect for kids. So there you have it, my top 5 things to do in Anaheim, with a couple of bonus spots for good measure. Anaheim is such a diverse city with so much to offer, from theme parks and food to sports and culture. No matter what you're into, there's always something here for you to do.